So here's the code I wrote. This defines the variables. This initializes the pins on the Arduino. And here's the little shifting part of the code where the joystick is read and shifted up by increments or down. And then this is the part that lights the LEDs. There's different combinations of. There's the red, green, blue LED by itself. It's got a lot of different options. And then this is the serial monitor, and it works like this. Serial monitor. This is printing out the location of the joystick. It's going up and then down. And let's see what that looks like. It's got a diffuser around the LEDs to make the color look better. So it looks like with it off. You can see this is the tricolor LED.